Robin Thicke, T.I., Pharrell, they're all headed to court to protect the rights of their super hit song this summer, Blurred Lines. Doing this all from the family of R&B soul icon, Marvin Gaye.
Everybody get up.
Sorry, this will be stuck in your head whether you want it to be or not. According to The Hollywood Reporter, Robin, T.I., and Pharrell all claim Marvin Gaye's family and Bridgeport Music threatened them with litigation if they don't pay up for allegedly stealing the feel, the sound of Marvin Gaye's hit song, Gotta Give It Up. Here's that song. What do you think? Similar? In a proactive move, the attorneys for Robin and Company filed a lawsuit in a California federal court yesterday claiming their clients created a hit and did it without copying anyone else's work. We have former federal prosecutor Tanya Miller and criminal defense attorney Janet Johnson joining me here. And, okay, Janet, let me begin with you. Robin Thicke says he has the utmost respect for, Marvin Gaye, his legacy, but if the Gaye family goes after him, you think there'll be a case there?
Yeah, I think Robin's going to have to give it up because the song is exactly the same song. Thank you. I mean, it's plagiarism. You could say there's a spirit. He actually says there are no similarities in this pleading through his lawyers. There's so many similarities. You could take a note, you could take a lick, but this is the little hooting in the middle, the drum beat, it's exactly the same song. I think the reason he's going to court is because he knows it's the same song and he wants to get a deal on the table before he gets hundreds of millions of dollars that he's going to owe to Marvin Gaye's family, who quite frankly are entitled to that money.
So, Tanya, this reminded me, you remember the whole kerfuffle, that the copyright infringement case between, you had Vanilla Ice and you had David Bowie, and Vanilla Ice, he sampled, he admits he sampled part of Bowie's song Under Pressure, but said the song wasn't the same. Take a listen.
We sampled them from him, but it's not the same bass line. Like it goes ding 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 diggy ding ding, ding 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 diggy ding ding, ding ding ding. That's the way theirs goes. Ours goes ding 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 diggy ding ding, ding 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 diggy ding ding. That little bitty change. It's not the same.
That might be the best soundbite ever, but the New York Times notes that Blurred Lines was heavily influenced by Gaye, but the lawsuit makes the point that the intent of producing Blurred Lines is to evoke an era.
Right, that's one way to put it. I mean, what they're trying to do is wiggle around here. The standard is whether or not it's substantially similar to the original or copyrighted piece. So they're trying to say while it might be similar or inspired by the copyrighted piece, it's different. And I think secondly, it's interesting because that's what they're going to say. Now I see Janet shaking her head, but I think that's what they want to be in a position to say. I thought it was interesting that they also added in the Funkadelic folks to say that, look, they've also said this song is copyright infringement on their piece. So that piece came out before Marvin Gaye's piece came out. So there is this sort of line of similarity between all of these pieces. And I think what they might be setting themselves up to say is, look, the less original the piece is, the more likely it's going to be used in different ways by different people. So I think that's what they're trying to say.
We'll see where the fight goes. Tweet me. I'm curious what people think, if they think it's similar or not, at BrookeBCNN. Ladies, thank you very much. When we come back, we're going to have an update. You're welcome.